A guitar. It is a fretted musical instrument that usually has 6 strings. It is typically played with both hands by strumming or plucking the strings with either a guitar pick or the fingers of one hand. The sound of the vibrating strings is projected either acoustically by means of the hollow chamber of the guitar. Most common metals used in guitar strings are stainless steel, nickel, and nickel-plated steel. Other less common materials used are cobalt, titanium, and chrome. The different metals produce different qualities in your tone as well as change the durability of the strings.
The harp. The modern English word harp comes from the Old English harpe, akin to Old High German harfa. The harp is a string musical instrument that has a number of individual strings running at an angle to its soundboard. The strings are plucked with the fingers. Harps are essentially triangular and made primarily of wood. Strings are made of gut or wire, often replaced in the modern day by nylon or metal. Fun fact, the harp is one of the oldest instruments in the world. It dates back to around 3000 BC and was first depicted on the sides of ancient Egyptian tombs and in Mesopotamian culture.
Sitar. The sitar is a plucked stringed instrument originating from the Indian subcontinent used in Hindustani classical music. A sitar can have 18, 19, 20 or 21 strings. 6 or 7 of these are played strings which run over curved, raised frets, and the remainder are sympathetic strings, tarb, also known as tarif or taraftar, which run underneath the frets and resonate in sympathy with the played strings. The frets, which are known as parda or thaat, are movable, allowing fine tuning. It belongs to the family of the long-neck lutes. 2 curved bridges made of bone or horn or plastic nowadays have steel and bronze strings running over them. The frets are tied movable to the neck and are made of nickel silver. Most sitars are decorated with inlays of celluloid and lavish carvings.
The violin. The violin, sometimes known as a fiddle, is a wooden string instrument in the violin family. It is the smallest and highest pitched instrument in the family in regular use. Violins are important instruments in a wide variety of musical genres. They are most prominent in the Western classical tradition, both in ensembles and as solo instruments. Violins are also important in many varieties of folk music, including country music, bluegrass music, and in jazz. Components of a violin are usually made from different types of wood. Violins can be strung with cut, purlin, or other synthetic or steel strings. Bows of a violin are usually made of horsetail hair. A single violin bow will use between 160 and 180 individual hairs. These hairs are all attached next to each other to form a ribbon. The stick is made out of hardwood.
The banjo. The banjo is a stringed instrument with a thin membrane stretched over a frame or a cavity to form a resonator. The membrane, typically circular and usually made of plastic or occasionally animal skin. The earliest banjos had 4 cut strings, later from 5 to 9 metal strings were used. The standard banjo has 5 metal strings. The modern banjo comes in a variety of forms including 4 and 5 string versions. Different metal strings used in a banjo are nickel-plated steel, stainless steel, phosphor, bronze, coated strings and nylon strings.
Let's now talk about the metals and alloys that are used in these stringed instruments. Nickel. Nickel is an element with the symbol Ni and atomic number 28. It is a silvery, white lustrous metal with a slight golden tinge. Nickel belongs to the transition metals and is hard and ductile. Gold. Gold is a chemical element with the symbol Au and atomic number 79, making it one of the high atomic number elements that occur naturally. In a pure form, it is bright, slightly reddish yellow, dense, soft, malleable, ductile, and sonorous. Stainless steel. Stainless steel is a family of iron-based alloys that contain a minimum of approximately 11% chromium, a composition that prevents the iron from rusting as well as provides it heat-resistant properties. Different types of stainless steel include elements of carbon, nitrogen, aluminium, silicon, sulfur. Silver. Silver is a chemical element with the symbol Ag and atomic number 47, a soft, white, lustrous transition material. It exhibits high electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, and reflectivity of any metal. The silver has a very considerable elasticity. When struck, it produces a very acute. Bronze. Bronze is an alloy consisting primarily of copper, commonly with about 12 to 12.5% tin and often with the addition of other metals such as aluminium, manganese, nickel or zinc, and sometimes non-metals or metalloids such as arsenic, phosphorus or silicon. Bell metal is a hard alloy used for making bells and related instruments such as cymbals. It is a form of bronze with a higher tin content, usually approximately a 4:1 ratio of copper to tin. The higher tin content increases the other metals and alloys used for making strings are iron, cobalt, nickel-plated steel, copper, aluminium, magnesium, titanium, chrome, and many more. Presenting the Element Song.
The periodic table is full of elements. Each one's original, cannot be replaced. Protons and electrons can be found simply by looking right at the atomic number. Subtract atomic number from atomic mass. That's how you find the neutrons at a glance. When elements react,